Here is a step-by-step tutorial for newbies on how to set up Python and PyCharm on a Windows computer. Python installation. Install Python. Open your web browser and navigate to https://www.python.org/downloads to access the official Python website. Selecting the Python version. Python 3.x, such as Python 3.9, and Python 2.x, such as Python 2.7, are the two versions you may encounter. Python 3.x is the preferred option because Python 2 is no longer being actively maintained. To download the most recent Python 3.x version, click on it. Install Python. The installer for your version of Windows can be found at the bottom of the page under Files, for example, Windows x86-64 executable installer for 64-bit Windows or Windows x86 executable installer for 32-bit Windows. Download the system-appropriate installer. Launching the installer. To launch the downloaded installer, find it and double-click on it. Installation customization, optional. To make Python available from the command prompt, choose Add Python.x to path on the first screen. This is advised since it makes using Python from the command line simpler. Putting in Python. To begin the installation procedure, click the Install Now button. Installation finished. When the installation is finished, a screen stating Setup was successful should appear. Select Close from the menu. Setting up PyCharm. Install PyCharm. Open your web browser and navigate to the PyCharm official website at https://www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download/. Select between the professional version, paid, or the community version, free. The community edition, which is free, works well for the majority of Python programming jobs. For the community version, click the download button. Get the installer here. After choosing the community version, a URL where you can download the installer will be sent to you. To download the installer, use the download option. Launching the installer. To launch the PyCharm installer, find it and double-click on it. Configuration options. Obey the directions displayed on the screen. You have the ability to install Python files by associating them with shortcuts on your desktop. For the majority of users, the default settings are usually fine. Start PyCharm. When the installation is finished, you may launch PyCharm by selecting the desktop shortcut created or by typing PyCharm into the Windows Start menu. Install PyCharm. When you launch PyCharm for the first time, it will prompt you to set up a few default options. When you follow the instructions, PyCharm is ready for Python development. I'm done now. Python and PyCharm have now successfully installed on your Windows machine. PyCharm may now be used to create and execute Python code.
Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you.